Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. We start off with someone who has this bob. Like she's going much shorter here. Got some color. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous pixie. Love the chocolate brown. And the overall shape of this is very much 90s vibe. Very cute. Next up, we have another bob. I love her tattoo. That is just so gorgeous. It looks like she got a classic bob there for that one. And then here we have someone, it looks like she has hair around maybe mid-back or mid-length. And the stylist does cut the hair all off here. Looks like another pixie transformation. And then we have a cut refresh of a pixie style. Moving on, so we have someone here with about mid-back length hair. She's got some grown out color. She gets a color refresh. Oh, it looks like she might be going red. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Perfect shade of red, too. Not too bright. It's just like the right intensity. Next up, we have a bit of a chop. Whoa, he is going to town with this one. Getting some color done. Gorgeous pixie. Hair looks like it's got this beautiful amount of sun-kissed highlights. Gorgeous color work. Next up, we have someone here with platinum hair. Looks like she's getting a haircut with this one. Oh, getting a pixie. Oh, wow. This is so cute. And she's still got that platinum color. Gorgeous. She looks phenomenal with the pixie cut. Oh, wow. Her hair. definitely needs a color touch up here. And bam! Beautiful head of blonde. Look how much healthier her hair looks. Like, it just looks so much silkier. Very pretty. So here we have someone with a bob or shoulder length hair. Oh, she's getting a pixie cut here. So this is another like play on the 90s pixie that we kind of saw earlier. I wonder if this is like starting a trend. It's a little bit of a longer pixie style than we've been seeing over the past couple of years. So you have a lot more length to play with. Which can be really great when it comes to styling, of course. Yeah, man, that 90s pixie might be making a comeback. I really like it. It's so like volumized and full. I feel like it gives you a fuller appearance for the hair. So here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. She looks like she does have some grown out color going here. Hair looks kind of dull. So the stylist does do some coloring. That's the hair. Ooh, I love this chocolate bob. And chocolate is definitely a top color for 2025. We're seeing that really start to take off. Beautiful. I like the way they did her makeup and everything as well. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these hair transformations with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.